Hello everyone, welcome to Technical Workout. So this is another short video crash course on Email Extracting Masterclass. The main intended audience for this course is email marketers or anyone who is in digital marketing career or any person who have some big text files with email IDs along with other unnecessary data like phone number, addresses, interest, etc., which are all in cluttered form, and you want to extract just emails for maybe some marketing purpose. So before starting, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please do so and do not forget to hit the bell icon for latest updates. So without wasting any time, let's jump right to the course. So what will you achieve after successfully completing this video course? You will make your own email extracting software. You can collect emails in text file and sort them or extract just emails from your own made mini software. You can process very large cluttered text files to extract emails for marketing or any other purpose. So, is there any prerequisites for taking this course? Absolutely nothing. Just a Windows laptop, maybe it's just a basic laptop with a emails or other text consisting file for processing it. So let's start. First of all, you have to copy all the code given in the description box of this video and paste it in a new file in Notepad. Now you have to save this script with .vbs extension. Please make sure to follow all the steps exactly shown. File, save as, you can name it anything, maybe emails extractor.vbs. Change save as type to all files and hit save. Now you can see it on our desktop. The software is created. Congratulations, you just have created your own mini software. Now we will be using this software to extract email IDs from big text files in no time. Just follow with me exactly. Now I am moving to my desktop. Here you can see our newly created mini software and a text file which I have deliberately created by putting some email IDs and some gibberish data. I am showing you by opening it. You can see I have some email IDs and some dummy text Lauren Ibsen. I will process this file and show you how you can extract only email IDs from this file. Now you have to do just double click on our mini software. Here the UI comes. You have to enter the path of the input file from which file you want to extract the email IDs. I am using this file. So first of all, I will copy its path. Properties, location, this path. Control C. Now I am putting the path here and /a.txt. Now clicking OK. Now here you have to enter the path of the output file. You just paste the path and maybe sorted mails.txt. Click OK. You will see extraction complete and we have our newly made sorted emails text file. Now I am showing it to you by opening it. Here you can see all the email IDs extracted from this gibberish text file. Thank you.